the Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia G400 5G from Metro by T-Mobile. So finally Metro got this phone. This phone is available on T-Mobile as their postpaid service. So yeah, the Nokia G400 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now in media grade there, 64 gigabytes of storage. So this is a budget smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Nokia G400 is the phone for you guys to check out. It's a very nice looking phone. The full retail price is $239.99. If you guys need a new number, it's $49.99. If you guys put your number over the Metro, the Nokia G400 is free when you guys port over the Metro. So not bad for a free phone. So you guys have your teardrop notch, your front facing camera there, a piece above that, your Nokia logo at the bottom there, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. The back of the Nokia G400 is your triple camera system, camera flash, Nokia logo and whatnot. Like I said, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. Features: you guys have a triple rear 48 megapixel camera with AI enhancements, 16 megapixel front facing camera with super night mode, 2 days of talk time, 26 days of standby time. So y'all guys have a Full HD Plus display, 120Hz V-notched 2.5D Golden Glass 3 display, 1080 by 24 L8 pixels. And I don't even know what the screen size is. 6.5, I think. Something like that, I guess. Y'all guys have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G mobile platform, 5G connectivity, of course. That's the main selling point of the Nokia G400, that it has 5G. Immersive 1080p Full HD Plus display, 2 days of battery life. Golden Glass 3 plus 30 aluminum frame. Pre-installed Android 12, 20-watt fast charging included. 20-watt fast charging including the fast charger. The ones for those demanding the most from their smartphones: an immersive display, how a 1080p Full HD Plus display, with 120Hz refresh rate sound. Want to take the best pictures? A spectacular triple rear camera with the 48 megapixel main sensor and AI enhancements including dual sight will help social worthy selfies with the super night mode on the 16 megapixel front facing camera lets you own the night. It also includes up to 2 days of battery life, so you can escape for the weekend and leave the charger at home. When you do need to fill up, fast charge has you covered. This is all housed behind Golden Glass 3 display so that your device is tougher and less prone to scratches. If you got high demands, the Nokia G400 5G is the smartphone for you. Okay. Specs. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so if you guys want a budget 5G smartphone, here you go. Battery 5000 milliamps. You guys have a headphone jack and USB Type-C for charging. Connectivity options on the Nokia G400: Wi-Fi 8 to 11 BGN AC, Bluetooth 5.1 NFC, Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G mobile platform, Android 12, 4 GB of RAM, 1 TB of micro SD expansion, so take advantage of that. Wireless network technologies: you guys get 4G as well, 4G obviously, and 5G as the main selling point. Supported email clients there. Hearing aid compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot frequency. The Nokia G400 weighs 6.98 ounces, width 0.35 inches, height 6.55 inches, depth. The weight 6.98 ounces, width, which is the depth 0.35 inches, height 6.55 inches, width 3.2 inches. Alright. What comes in a box is your Nokia G400 5G smartphone, charger, which is nice to see, and USB-C cable, quick start guide. So nothing special in the box that you send the stuff in the box to get you going. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Nokia G400 5G is now here at Metro by T-Mobile for $239.99 for retail price, or it's free with port-in to Metro, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Nokia G400 is the phone for you guys to check out. It is a very nice looking phone. It has pretty good specs for what it is, a budget smartphone. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.